What engineers invented will completely redefine manufacturing. This incredible innovation transforms raw materials into complex objects. For millennia, manufacturing relied on subtractive methods, removing material. Craftsmen carved, machined, or molded, often wasting valuable resources. Creating intricate, customized parts was both slow and extremely expensive. Traditional assembly lines built identical products, lacking personalization. This bottleneck limited rapid prototyping and design iterations significantly. However, a revolutionary idea began to change everything dramatically. Imagine building objects layer by microscopic layer from the ground up. This concept is known as additive manufacturing or 3D printing technology.
In 1984, Charles Hull pioneered stereolithography, a groundbreaking method.
His invention used UV lasers to solidify liquid resin, layer by layer.
This precise process created the first true three-dimensional physical models.
Founded 3D Systems pioneered bringing this stereolithography innovation to the commercial world. His patent, filed in 1986, laid the foundation for modern 3D printing. This initial breakthrough sparked an entirely new industrial revolution. Later, Scott Crump introduced fused deposition modeling, FDM, in 1989. FDM extrudes melted plastic filament, building objects line by precise line. Another technique, selective laser sintering SLS, uses powdered material. SLS selectively fuses powder particles with a powerful laser beam. These diverse methods expanded materials from plastics to metals and ceramics. Each innovation pushed the boundaries of what was physically possible. Time-lapses of these processes reveal their mesmerizing, intricate transformations. 3D printing now impacts countless industries, from aerospace to medicine. General Electric uses additive manufacturing for advanced jet engine parts. These lighter, stronger components enhance fuel efficiency significantly. In medicine, personalized prosthetics and surgical guides are common. Doctors create custom implants perfectly matched to individual patient anatomy. Architects utilize 3D printed models for rapid design visualization easily. Even entire houses are now being 3D printed in record time frames. This technology allows for unprecedented design freedom and customization. Small businesses can produce complex prototypes quickly and affordably. It empowers inventors to bring their wildest ideas to tangible reality. The innovation fosters local manufacturing and reduces supply chain dependency. Looking forward, the possibilities of 3D printing appear boundless. Researchers are bioprinting human organs for transplantation purposes. Additive manufacturing could build infrastructure on distant planets. Materials science continues advancing, unlocking new functionalities daily. Smart materials, self-assembling structures, and multi-material printing emerge. This technology promises a future of personalized, on-demand fabrication. Sustainable housing. The journey from concept to creation has been fundamentally transformed. Sustainable housing, additive manufacturing, represents a paradigm shift in how we build things. This innovation truly changes our perception of industrial production. The future of making is here, building possibilities layer by layer. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.